Yeah, so they have a lot of little shops here, but as you can see, a lot of them are closed now. Good evening. I'm here in front of the Apple store at the CentralWorld Square, and I just wanted to show you guys how the square looks at the moment. Here you have the Gaysort Tower, Gaysort Mall, Intercontinental Hotel. Yeah, as you see, there was a lot of they had a lot of skating events in the past month, but obviously because of COVID a lot of things have been cancelled now, which is a shame. So I don't know if they're gonna pick that up later. Yeah, the Apple store that you just saw is the first Apple store here in Bangkok, and there is a new one now at the Icon Siam as well, which I filmed not so long ago. I do not use Apple myself, the products, so not so excited about all this stuff, but I don't want to kick anybody in the leg and offend them. Yeah, what I always like about this area is all the lights. Yeah, I'm gonna walk to the market, which is a kind of mall over there. So here I'm getting to the R Walk. So let's have a look at the market. Yeah, the market is more like a combination mall with all little shops. So you don't really have the big brands here, like H&M and all these kind of things. Nice little tuk-tuk from Don Don Donki, the Japanese mall. So this is the Don Don Donki shop, and they actually have a proper mall in Ekamai, which I will show you one time. And this is all Japanese products. It's quite interesting to see this in the heart of Bangkok. So you see all the signs, everything is in Japanese. Yeah, the thing is, what a lot of people do not know, but the Japanese community is the biggest community of expats in Bangkok. They are way bigger than the Europeans and the Americans. And a lot of Japanese people, they work for the big car factories here. And there's a lot of Japanese companies. Yeah, I always get questions from people because we are doing the real estate and it's more in the high end. They said, who is going to rent all these places? Well, the thing is that there is a lot of professionals here in this country. And yeah, there are people that work for the big companies and they come here with a family. And if you come with a family, you cannot live in a 35,000 baht one bedroom or studio. Yeah, I've been to Japan a couple of times and a lot of shops really look like this, and especially if you look at the signs. Very typical. So let's go one floor up. Let's see what we can find here. Yeah, so they have a lot of little shops here, but as you can see, a lot of them are closed now. And it makes sense. Yeah, what I do notice during this whole crisis, COVID crisis, is that it seems that the big shops, they can survive, but the little shops are really, yeah, it's impossible. If you have your normal mom and pop shop and you don't get enough customers, you cannot just sit it out. You have to pay the rent. So here they call it the Chatuchak market. Yeah, let's say the one-man shops, it's very difficult to survive at the moment, and big stores seem to be handling okay. But even if you look at chain stores like 7-Eleven, for example, but 7-Eleven, they're all franchises, so that means that you have an individual that owns that particular 7-Eleven, and they are not doing so good. So let's check one floor up. Let's get down and let's get out. Yeah, so here on the ground floor you have a couple of shops. Now the only shopping malls that seem to be surviving at the moment are the big central malls, and I think it's just because they have deeper pockets, so they can sit it out. Okay, so I'm getting out of the mall here. So I hope you found this update informative. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a comment, and see you guys in my next video.